is Chantal from Lepage Cafe. I am here to show you guys this itty bitty journal that fits just a little fairy journal that I made with Mrs. Cog's kit, and it's also my DT project. I've got a couple of the pieces of Mrs. Cog because it was a fairy journal, but I also use Tracy Fox itty bitty tiny whiny little mini tags. I used her kit, oh my goodness, layering tags, I think. Oh, I'm sorry, Tracy, I can't remember the name of it. But anyways, I will link it below, and it's so much fun. It was perfect for this itty bitty journal. It's just little, and look how fluffy it is. So I will get started. Oh, this is the cover. Couple layers in there with the little fairy and Edith Holden paper. And I just closed it up with eyelash trim. Let's see if I'm in frame. Hopefully I'm close enough. I zoomed in. Now I hid her name. Here's a little sticker. Here's a little butterfly with some little trim. Another one of Tracy Fox's entomology kit. I love these little ones, especially for itty bitty journals. And here is one that I made with their kit. Look at all the little layering. Oops, am I too close? I had so much fun with these itty bitty tags, and I think this is the medium one. I'll show you the smaller one as I go, but they are so cute. Oops, that's so much fun. I really wanted small things were in here. Got some stamping, Edith Holden paper, lots of tea-dyed paper. Oh, there's a little ladybug in here. And here's another one of those beautiful images from Mrs. Cog's kit, Fairies in the Garden. And here is another one of her beautiful layering bundles. I made it into a little pocket. And here's another one of her itty bitty tags that I just put another layer of the little butterflies she puts in there. My hand looks huge. And then this is part of the Fairy in the Garden kit from Mrs. Cog. So keep going. And here's another itty bitty. That's the nice thing about it. You don't even have to do, sorry, my fingers are all inked up. You don't even have to do much with it, and they're already done. Just ink the edges and they're ready to go. Here's another one of Mrs. Cog's kit, Fairy in the Garden, I believe. And that's what I put in the middle too, the little fairies. I've never really bound with eyelash trim, and actually I was surprised that it works so well. So there's another little one of those little fairies, some stitching. A lot of stitching in here. Here's another one, part of her kit. I just used the little flower, and then her rip pages, I think they're called. Oh, I'm so awful, sorry. But here's another way of using it. I just cut this tag up and layered it, made my own. Wanted a little bit bigger, but here you go. No, this is going for a little 6-year-old, 5-year-old. Anyways, I hope she likes it. A little dangle. Hopefully I was in frame. Sorry if I wasn't. And I've got another little itty bitty fairy one coming along. This is from a lovely lady, one of my pen pals. Oops, sorry, I wasn't in frame. Another one of Mrs. Cog's kit, and I shrunk this one. You see how cute? Oops, it's the wrong way. You see how cute that is? That little itty bitty girl. Anyways, so these just tuck right in here. Thanks to Nick the Booksmith for a lovely idea of scraps. Like, I have used quite a bit of my scraps that some beautiful lady sent me. So there's a little collage, I guess. I'm like, what am I trying to say? Little pocket in here. I might add another little tag in there. Itty bitty. Here's another itty bitty tag. These are so fun though, because you can just layer them all kinds of ways, and they're so cute because you don't have to do the stitching that's already there. Another little tag there that I made with and I shrunk these down, Mrs. Cox kits, to fit in this itty bitty journal. And here's another one of her little bitty tags that I put together. Thank you so much, Tracy. They're so versatile. Like, I still have so many left from them. So it's pretty cool how much you can use these. How versatile and how much you can use that itty bitty kits. And then this is inspired by Miss Gibbet Neri. She did these a while ago, and I've done them before. The little wings, little fairy wings. I just put a little bit of sparkle in it. And then this is the layered, some of the layered stuff from Tracy's kit. And here's another itty bitty tag from her kit again. They are so fun. Seriously, could just sit there all day and just make a bunch, which I should have done. I should have just turned it on, my camera on, to show you guys how I made them. And a little tag here. Some stickers in there too. Thank you to the lovely friends that I have made through this swap sampler. Kathy, that's from Kathy. Sorry, forgot to mention that. And there's this little guy that I put inside. And it just acts as a little tuck spot. And then there's another little dangle here. And this cute little picture again that I've trimmed down, and I used the little bird on the one side of the book. And then thanks again, Kathy, for these sweet little envelopes that she sent me. I don't know where you got them, but they're super cute. So I added one in there. And then I put another one. I shrunk them down. I can't remember how small I did, but I shrunk them down to make these kits. So that's that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will, like I said with my previous video, I am going to be packing, so I will be moving soon, and lots of stuff to do. Oh, the little teddy bear fell off. I will be, look how cute that is. I'll putting it back on. Anyways, have a great day, and thank you so much for watching. Thanks for all the lovely comments that I've had lately. I will have to redraw for the giveaway because Rhiannon, I think it's called, her name is on YouTube, has not contacted me yet, and it's been over a week, so I'll just draw a new name. So stay tuned. I will try to do that tomorrow. Bye. Have a great day.